Yeah, as far as rein length, I order my reins on Amazon. They're a Weaver rein, uh, half-inch wide for my lower level horses, 3/8 wide for my upper level finished horses. I think there's a link in my video description to the reins. If not, I'll try to pull this up and put a link in the comments later. Um, Generally, I ride with 7-foot reins. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what I look for in rein length. So when I'm holding my reins like this, I basically want the same amount of weight going from my hand to the bit as what's going from my hand down. So when I hold that rein, it's balanced right there. And that rein's not going to bounce. Reins get tighter. They're not going to bounce so that the reins get looser. And that's what I want to feel. If you have short reins, so that you have almost no weight on this end, and you have long reins on that end, this rein bouncing is going to pull that slack and going to make this rein longer and longer and longer. Where if you have reins that are too long, they're going to bounce and they're going to pull longer. So I want to feel the same amount of weight going from my hand to the bit as there is going from my hand to the ground, to the tips. All my reins are weighted at the ends, and that weight is to help with that balance. I've seen some ridiculous stuff posted on the internet about why trainers ride with weighted ends. And the actuality is when you have a real upper level, high level finished horse, you can rein that horse around like a feather with good balanced reins and get a horse really, really light in your hands.